Middle rates, high rates. Middle rates, low rates.
What was that? The what?
Gear up.
Hope the wings aren't gonna drop off it. You gotta get some pictures of it, John. I get blinded every time I fly into that sun.
Oh, it's horrible, isn't it?
Shut my eyes. That's a good picture. I've got a feeling the wheels are going to dig in the sand, like. It's just the sand's that wet. It's gear doing.
That's gear doing, aye.
It's out of me left.
No, just people down in there. First trays are gonna get.
I like the looks of this, like.
Oh, well done, mate.
It's half over that crosswind. Still dusty.
I know. A little bit like a little bit off.
Come on, Paul, get yours up.
I went give it a quick check on centre ground came out for you.
Then the next one will be the 10 or something.
Aye.
Or should I
We need to have a look at that nose gear on the 18.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that, mate.
Unplug that battery, John. Good remote, that, like. Feels lovely. Feels nice, that remote. You didn't think it's gonna make much difference a remote, but it does feel nice, that one.
What came up? That scoop. That in the middle.
Sorry.
One of these scoops, I think.
Perfect.
Is it them? Are they an actual centre of gravity?
Nah.
No, I was kind of see it. Is that I measured
Table
underneath?
there.
Aye.
Let's look at remote, minute.
That's near. Oh, cool.
Hang on, that's the wrong way.
Aye.
It's the wrong way.
That is the wrong way.
Aye.
That's
It's our
where you
all it'll do
He
is a
did the
barrel
same.
roll.
He did the same.
We'll just do a barrel roll and then keep going straight.
Faster. If it starts getting erratic, I'll just land straight away, but it'll be fine. A bit lumpy here, mind.
in that wind up there, like.
Now when you're on the top of the cliff, it's fucking howling off.
Aye.
Static there against that wind. Aye.
Have you a couple of brochures? It's the same as that one. Same as that one.
At least a fucking standards.
Is your transmitter still on? Thought I could hear it. Still gone now.
Ah, some gluing to be doing there.
How bad?
Yeah, it's not bad. Undercarriage pulled out. Bent whatever that thing is that's sticking out the front.
A little bit of crease on there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, cannon.
No problem.
There way. Live and learn. I knew that was gusty when I brought it in, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Ah, straight back in that.
Don't even have to pay this.